Alright class, this is number 40. So it starts off and it tells you that cotangent of u is the square root of 2. And u is between pi and 3 pi over 2. So what quadrant is that? Well, here's pi, here's 3 pi over 2. So if u is between these two, then obviously we must be in the third quadrant. So if I make that triangle, I'll put it down here. There's my right triangle. It means both my x and my y are going to be negative. Cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent. Tangent is y over x, so cotangent of an angle is going to be x over y. So my x is going to be the square root of 2. My y, I'll just put 1. So it's negative square root of 2 and negative 1. And now when I know those two sides, I can find the radius. Because x squared plus y squared, square root of that is going to equal the radius. So x squared is 2. Y squared is 1, so this side is going to be the square root of 3. Alright, so now we're supposed to figure out what the sine, cosine, and tangent of twice the angle is. Well, we have formulas for that. They're on your sheet. They're the double angle formulas. So sine of 2u is 2 times sine of u times cosine of u. Cosine of 2u, there are 3 different formulas you can choose for cosine of 2 times an angle. I'm going to choose this one. And then tangent of 2u, I'm just going to take sine divided by cosine, both of angle 2u. So, what do we got? So sine of u equals negative 1 over the square root of 3. And I'm not going to rationalize it because I'm going to use this. If this was an answer, then you'd want to rationalize it, but that's just an extra step. Cosine of u is going to be the x over the r. So it's going to be negative square root of 2 over the square root of 3. There we go. So now I can solve this one. I'm going to take 2 times sine of u, negative 1 over the square root of 3, times cosine of u, negative square root of 2 over the square root of 3. If I multiply that all together, 2 over 1, so 2 times the square root of 2, all over the square root of 3 times square root of 3, which is the square root of 9, or just 3. So I get to cosine squared and sine squared. Well, cosine squared minus sine squared square both of these. So square root of 2 squared is 2. Square root of 3 squared is 3. Minus negative 1 squared is 1. Square root of 3 squared is 3. So 2/3 minus 1/3, 1/3. That's what cosine of 2u is. And this is what sine of 2u is. So to get tangent, I'm going to divide those two. So 2 square root of 2 over 3 divided by 1/3. 3's cancel. There's your answer for tangent. Okay, hope this helps.